Okay, hello to everyone. Uh, Today I'll give you some instructions to start the trail mix 1. Here onwards you can go through the syllabus, and you need to complete the syllabus. You have to focus on the syllabus, how to complete and what are the various possibilities are there, and various ways are there to get some stuff or information. So you can I already posted some. We have the syllabus link. You click on the link. Now we'll come to this page, right? Trailblazer Connect, become a developer. Okay, so step 1, that syllabus contains the total number of 6 trail mixes you have to complete, and 4 super badges it consists already, and after that you will be facing the interview. Soft skills you will go, and you will get connect with the mentorship and all. You please focus on you learn the Salesforce developer content really. You read all those content in that, and don't simply copy the information from one print to other print. You please do not do like that, otherwise you will rejected and you will face a problem in the interview, right? So then how to do it, your self learning, I will guide you, right, as part of my mentoring, right? So build your skills, trail mix 1 I am clicking. So once you log on to your mail, so before that you need to log on to your what do you call, you have to log in to your Salesforce Trailhead account. Then you will see that 0 badges and 0 points, and some of you already have done some badges and some points they have earned, and you can continue yourself, and you complete the syllabus as early as possible. So meanwhile others also, you please start today onwards at the completing the trail mix, right? But while completing the trail mix, you please do not copy the answers from one to one. You please do yourself, right? So that is for now. So become job ready for developer 1 trail mix 1. So it is total time expecting is 9 hours 55 minutes. So as per my account also, I have not done anything. So this is new account of mine. For yourself I have created. So first of all you need to go for Trailhead basics. Now, so these are the challenges, these are the quizzes or challenges. So this Trailhead, what is this Trailhead, and everything you will find here in this basics. You have to concentrate on this one. After completing this one, you will earn 300 points, right? So total expected time for this challenge is, for this module is 15 minutes. Okay, they have assigned that 15 minutes. You don't bother about 15 minutes. This is not compulsory that you need to complete this challenge in 15 minutes only, right? You please do not think like that. The expected time to complete and the time which is required for this to complete is 15 minutes only. You can do some more time, it's not a problem, but completing the module is important. Okay, and here you click on 5 minutes. First of all, this is get started with Trailhead. Now you can see here, get started Trailhead learning objectives are, after completing this unit you will be able to learn, explain the Trailhead and who is it's for, sign up for Trailhead, create a Trailhead playground. So this task is already we have completed, so that we can able to answer very easily. So this topics will contain in this is, welcome to Trailhead, how does it work, who is Trailhead for, where do I start, what's a hands-on challenge anyway, what's a Trailhead playground, what's next. These all points will be covered. So let me play this video to get some more information very clearly.
Hey Trailblazers, I'm Leah McGowan Hare, and I'm thrilled to welcome you to Trailhead. What's Trailhead? Great question. Let's start with the basics. Trailhead is the fun and free way to learn in-demand skills that lead to top jobs. Tech skills, business skills, Salesforce skills, and the soft skills companies are hiring for. It's all here. Who's Trailhead for? Everyone. For total beginners to tech-savvy professionals, students to career changers, for anyone looking to learn valuable new skills for free, Trailhead can help transform your career. And when we say Trailhead is fun, we mean fun. We know you're all busy, so we broke the learning into bite-sized modules so that you can learn at your pace in your own space. As you learn, you earn points and badges by completing fun quizzes and hands-on challenges. We give you a free Salesforce environment where you can test your skills. It's called the Trailhead Playground. You might also notice some characters on the trail. Don't worry, they're part of the fun too. So far, so good? Then read on to learn even more about Trailhead, and I'll see you in the next section.
So that is the information they have provided. So after that you need to go to read everything they have mentioned in this module. So welcome to trail. Every journey starts with a single step, does every trail. You have already taken a first step of your learning journey by opening the trailhead. Trailhead is the fun way to learn. So they have mentioned what is the trailhead, and so what you are expecting and what they are expecting, and how to start. Everything is mentioned here. You have to read everything clear. How does it work? In trailhead, learning topics are organized into modules and broken up into units. So this complete information will be divided into different modules, and you will be having the quizzes, and that is consisting of the some multiple choices. And after completing this multiple choices or quiz, you will earn some the badge or the points. So if points are met and reach to the some target, and you will earn a badge, right? So like that. So they have mentioned everything. You have to read the entire information. And who is trailhead for? So the short answer is, well, everyone. So everyone can go for will be go for trailhead. So we have a content for every role within an organization and every level of experience. We even have material for learning outside of Salesforce, such as modules blockchain basics and European Union privacy law and trailhead to get start iOS development. So their information, their intention is already mentioned clearly. And we have a variety of trails for a variety of learners, from representatives using Service Cloud to advanced Salesforce developers to admins. And their trailhead content is available in 6 languages. They said English, German, Japanese, French, Spanish and Portuguese. So if you want to see the trailhead in other languages, you scroll down to any page and choose language from drop down menu. And trailhead content blends it approaches to all types of learners, including videos are there, code samples, walkthroughs, screenshots, images, tables and charts, step by step instructions. Okay, so when we create content, we use set of guiding principles that include practical examples and scenarios, storytelling, casual wise, fun, like that. So so this part is there. And where do I start? So the sign up process you have already completed. You can read everything. What's a hands-on challenge anyway? So here two things will be there, the entire syllabus. One is quizzes you will be having, and one more is the hands-on challenge. Okay, so earning a badge on trailhead is more just reading through modules, right? You also have to complete either multiple quiz or hands-on challenge at the end of each unit. This point you have to note, and you need to complete all the quizzes and the challenges. A hands-on challenge is more involved in the quiz, as result earns you more points to complete hands-on challenge. You have to look at a set of requirements and do something in Salesforce organization to meet those requirements. What have to do depends on what you have learned. So you writing Apex class and Lightning component, and these all points you learn and while going through all the challenges. And here we even provide with your own organization called Trailhead Playground. So separate playground is given for Trailhead ground is given for you to solve the hands-on challenge. So what's a Trailhead Playground? Playground you can see here to solve the hands-on challenge. So your organization will create some playground. There you can provide with all facilities to complete this challenge. So this is the way of creating, how to create. So the challenge. So once the launch is there, Trailhead ground, while going through the coming syllabus you will understand how to create a trailhead and all. For otherwise if you want to see, you can see here. So this is the Trailhead Playground. There mentioned there you can read everything. So what's next? So there is a quiz you have to answer. Who is Trailhead for? So Trailhead is for everyone, they told. And what's one reason to sign up for Trailhead with a social media account? Here it is mentioned. You can observe that. Choose to link your social accounts to Trailhead account. Click your image file on top of a Trailhead and click connect to your Salesforce and social account such as badges, and with it you can merge it with your account. So this point also you can do to link your social accounts to an existing Trail account. Click your profile image in the top corner of Trailhead and click settings. Scroll down, connect to your Salesforce email or social account respectively. If the login identify you are trying LinkedIn, Trailhead, Super Badges, and everything will be updated there. So from this page you can also manage hands-on organization, Trailhead developer editions, or link existing if you don't know what Trailhead is. So whatever. So this that is the meaning of that one is just you can connect to the social media profile. You can see here profile settings is there. Here you need to click on connect. Here you need to type your email address and your account, then automatically it is going to be linked. Now you answer the remaining questions in the Trailhead. I will try. What's one reason to sign up for the Trailhead with social media account? All your friends will know you are using Trailhead. You will still able to log into no matter where you catch. You'll never forget. You won't accidentally make changes. You won't accidentally make changes in your production organization when you complete hands-on challenge. So I'm expecting this one. What is Trailhead Playground? A forum of other Trailhead to jungle an organization. You can test your Salesforce skills and complete hands-on challenges. I'm expecting this one. So after that I need to click on this. So you can also go for second attempt. Actually if you click on the first attempt you will earn 100 points, right? If you want to go for second one, second attempt you are going to be losing some marks, 25 points. 50 points you will earn. If 3 or more ends, you will earn 25 points. It is not the problem, just points are going to be earned. It is not the issue, right? So some points will be less. If you want to get 100 points in the first attempt only, you have to read the entire content properly. This unit you have to verify very clearly, and you need to put the answers, and you have to check your marks. So if it is some 70, it is not correct, you can go for second attempt also, but in second attempt you will not get even 3 correct, even 3 questions are correct, you only earn 50 points. If you want to go for third time, even 3 are correct, you will get only 25 points. Now I will check how many points I got, then we will see. Here this question is wrong, it is showing all your friends will know your trailing head. Social media account, able to log in no matter where your career takes. So I will choose this one. So this is also wrong. See here, I am myself just I have, after going through all the points, just I got 25 points. Okay, now you go to, you can see here how many points here created. 25 points are created. If you give that answer what which I mentioned, you give in the first attempt only, you will earn 100 points, right? So this is a way of doing the module solving. So now I am just instructing you and guiding you. You please go through all the mentioned. So now you can see here, come to trailhead basics. So now you can see here, get started, this is completed, and 10 minutes left, 33% completed. Next you have to complete this one, find your way around trailhead. Here also you need to complete again you need to go for, after completing this unit you will be able to navigate units, modules and trails. Explain the differences between module and project. Explain how you earn points, badges and ranks. Again they have mentioned something, you have to.
Now that you know a little about Trailhead, it's time to navigate all the awesome content you'll find here. To make it easy, content is broken up into trails or guided learning paths. Each trail contains modules where you dive into specific topics, hands-on projects with step-by-step instructions, or a mix of both. As you learn in-demand skills, you'll also be earning resume-worthy credentials. Those include badges you earn for mastering specific skills. You can earn super badges for solving complex, real-world business problems, and even globally recognized Salesforce certifications. If you're looking for something specific, Enhanced Search can help you find what you're looking for and sort and filter to narrow down your results. See something you're interested in? Just tag it as a favorite and you can come back to it any time. And once you've found everything you want to learn, you can queue it up in a trail mix. That's what we call a custom learning path that you can curate yourself and share with others. And of course, you'll want current and future employers to know about your newfound skills and you can curate yourself.
You please read this. This is the trail mix. Trail mixes are learning paths you create from your favorite trails, modules, projects and super badges. Share them to guide your fellow trailblazers. So this is the concept of trail mix, right? So that you have to follow
and share with others. And of course, you'll want current and future employers to know about your newfound skills and credentials. That's where your Trailhead profile comes in. It's your reinvented resume. Getting a better idea of what this Trailhead thing is about? I hope so. But don't worry, in the next unit, I'll explain how to find answers to any questions that pop up along the trail.
Okay. So that is the information you have to read, and you mentioned the essence of trailhead is a trail is ordered a group of modules. So trail means it is a group of modules, projects or both the provides guiding learning and path to learning a new skill, product or role. So because there are so many things you have to learn, right? So this is nothing but the trail. Trail is nothing but it is a path. It is going to be containing modules, right, and projects. Module is nothing but some units, right? Now we are in the stage of module. It is going to be having some units. So what's a module? A module covers a single learning topic. While trails are great for learning comprehensive, you can also mix and match modules freely, and you can see experience not you the developer intermediate. So some information is given. A module is broken into units, that is already mentioned. So when you earn points and badges, so you advance ranks, then automatically your badges are going to be increased. So whenever your badges are increased, you will be having some ranks, like hiker. Your first badge you can see here, profile. So now just I have created my account as a student in BYRT. My profile is now you see that to earn one more badge and 175 more points to get hiker rank. So now I am at the beginning the water trailblazer ranks. Motivate yourself. So ranks you will achieve by learning and solving the challenges or solving the modules. You will earn some points and badges. Whenever you are earning badges and points, your rank will be like this: scout, badges 0, and beginner. So to get hiker ranker, you have to earn at least one badge and point should be 175. Already myself I have completed 25 points. So now my target is 175 points to get one badge, right? So whenever I got one badge and more than 200 points or 200 points, my rank will be hiker. So that will be updated in my profile automatically, right? There you can see. So this is the profile URL. You can link this URL in the linked profile, LinkedIn account or anywhere. So this profile shows your complete profile, right? You can copy this, just you can type here, you send to any other person, so they can type here. So they are going to be checking without having any username and password, they are going to be getting so this information, right? So in the Salesforce ecosystem, right? So that is the use of this one. So your target should be, so whenever you are solving the modules and badges and points, and your ranks will be increased, and moreover your the syllabus is also going to be completed. So everything is related to the syllabus and the ranks and badges and points, right? So your achievement and target should be, so as part of the syllabus you have to complete. So whenever you are completing the syllabus, in the process of the completing the syllabus and completing the challenges, so your ranks will be automatically increased from 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 1 to 1. Don't bother for them, you can refer every time your profile also by clicking here profile, okay? So now come to the this one. So trailhead syllabus module project. So the project is nothing but the completion of the modules and project. You can also learn badge when you complete a project, right? So some projects will be there, and solving the challenges and projects you learn some points. So and you can see here attention trailblazer. Do we have our attention with Salesforce or so here two experience you have. One is a Salesforce classic module experience and the lightning experience. Lightning, okay. Modules and projects are meant to be completed in classic at the beginning to give a heads up. Make sure you are using the recommended user experience in your trailhead playground when you are completing hands-on challenge. Lightning experience provides a streamlined user interface with improved setup experience and lots of features to help and self smarter. We know you love lightning experience, which is why your trailhead by uses by it is default. If you need to switch back to Salesforce classic, click profile image on top right corner to switch back to lightning experience, and you will come to lightning experience also. The two experiences are there. You can find that here. So if you want to turn back to switch back to lightning experience, click the profile image in the top right corner, you tray in the trailhead and switch to classic profile. Here you will get a switch to classic, then you can go to the automatically classic experience, and if you are in the classic experience you will be having lightning experience. You can click on that. More difference is that in the lightning experience you will be all features will be there with the proper information, right? So that point they have mentioned. You just so just that is the information they are giving, nothing to worry. What's credential? So Trailhead is your portal for learning about Salesforce credentials. Two type of credentials here: super badges and Salesforce certifications, right? So you earn a certification by taking a proctored exam and that tests your skills. Salesforce certifications are world class credentials and ability to work with Salesforce technology. If you are ready certified, Trailhead is when you are earn certification maintenance badges which ensure that you are up to date. And so this is a common thing that when you are in the Oracle case also, or any other Microsoft or like that Salesforce certifications, you are in the Salesforce ecosystem, you will do the certifications automatically. So the credentials, one is certification and other is super badges. So the credential tab gives you the more information including the trainings and all. So you can earn super badge by handling hands-on challenge in the Trailhead, right? Super badges we can earn. So these are the super badges are there. So in our syllabus super badges are there. So these are the super badges: app customization specialist and security specialist, process automation, Apex specialist, like that. Okay, so whenever you are solving that what do you call the Trailhead challenges, you will earn the Trailhead challenges badge super badges easily. Next, mix things with the trail mixes. So to create a trail mix, how to create, give your trail mix name, and so the procedure is given. You can create the trail mix. If you want to search anything, you can go to, so they have selling that searching and filters. If you want to search anything, you can type here Trailhead basics. Trailhead basics, your module name is Trailhead basics, you can type directly here. Directly you are coming to here. Okay, so this is the way of a Trailhead mixing, and filters also you can apply. We are doing second one. So now go to down. So keep track of modules traveling favorite. You can, after that you can click on favorite, so shows your stop your profile and everything. Now go to the quiz. 3 questions are there. Just again I am checking how many I am getting. What's a module? A series of hands-on steps to implement feature, a real life business scenario, a series of topics that you have learned, product or role, hands-on steps to implement a feature. Module. So module is here, covers a single learning topic. So answer is D. I am expecting. Like that you have to check and do. How is a project different from hands-on challenge? Project is different from hands-on challenge. Hands-on challenge gives you a set of requirements to meet, while a project gives you step-by-step instructions. Hands-on challenge and you points while project doesn't. Hands-on challenge easy while project is hard. So that if you want to clarify that, you go to that topic, hands-on challenge and project. Completing project only way. So completing modules isn't the only way to earn points and badges. You can also earn a badge when you complete a project. So then, so hands-on challenge and points while project, so this is not correct. So hands-on challenge gives you a set of requirements to meet, while project set of requirements. So this I'm expecting this is the correct answer. Hands-on challenge gives you pure points than a project. How do you ranks advance? By seniority, you by earning points, completing projects. So this is the correct answer I'm expecting. Now I will check myself. You see here I got 100 points again. So first time 25 points and second time 100 points. Okay, now go to the last topic in this module, troubleshoot and find answers to common questions. Know where to go if you need help with Trailhead. So troubleshoot common Trailhead issues, understand the role of points badges. So these points they have mentioned very clearly. You need to listen
As your
to the
learning
video
journey
very clearly.
continues, you may find yourself with a few questions. Don't worry, we're here to help. Trouble logging in? Can't complete a challenge? The first place to turn is to the Trailhead Help page. There you can search through our knowledge articles or contact our awesome support team and share new ideas. Still stuck? I recommend getting advice from our vibrant Trailblazer community. The Trailblazer community is full of experienced Trailhead learners who are always happy to help. Community is a huge part of what makes Trailhead so special. It's not only about learning new skills, it's also about connecting to opportunity within our community, from mentorship to employment. After all, learning is a team sport, and we're so happy to have you on our team. On that note, don't forget to share what you learned here with your friends. Growing our Trailblazer community means more fun and more opportunity for everyone out there blazing their trail.
Okay, that's all. So they're explaining about in this module about the troubleshoot and find answers to common questions, how to do it. So that is again. So everything is will be mentioned in these modules and the challenges. You have to go through thoroughly. That is very important. Don't take it as solving the points and challenges. So you have to spend the separate time for doing the Salesforce Job Ready program after the college hours, 8 to 10 or 9 to 11 or 7 to 9. You have to give the separate time, then you have to learn and solve it, right? You don't have sufficient, you don't have the restricted or the 10 hours or 2 hours or 10 minutes you have to complete this module. That time is not having, but a progress should be there by the end of the timeline mentioned in the PDF I have sent. You have to complete all the targets, right? That progress is very important, and the what you have learned is the important, right? Everything you must know, and the hurry worry please you don't do like that and you copy from any other student, right? So everything mentioned here you please the read every point. I am having trouble login, so what to do? So that is mentioned. Where do I go for help? Trailhead help is there, so you have to click here. You can type the content, and what are these points for anyway. So skills own company, these are remaining points you have to mention. So what if I want to track the progress of other Trailhead users at my company? If you want to bird's eye Trailhead Tricker App Exchange is there. So already a lot of apps are there. So this Salesforce Trailhead or Salesforce ecosystem it is going to be integrating with all databases and all apps, and more number of things are there in this platform. So you are not going to creating any database, and you are not going to using any programming language, you are not going to installing anything, right? So just it is a wonderful or integrated platform. It is going to be having all the apps and all the integrated databases, right? Just you are going to learning that ecosystem, right? That is the important point. You can go to the Salesforce developer forum is there, Trailhead community is there. I will show you what is the purpose of Trailhead community, and App Exchange is there, right? So now I will go to solving my challenge, last unit in the module. So where is the first place to look for help with trailhead? So what is the answer? Trailhead help. What's the point of earning points? It's a fun. You need to earn points to advance ranks. You can redeem points for cash prizes. So there is no cash prize, I think, to advance ranks. So just I am expecting the answer may be advanced ranks. Once again, you please check. So I didn't. A and B. It's a fun. Yeah, both are correct. A and B I am expecting. Yes, I completed the challenge. So it is showing that you have got a shiny new badge on your profile. Clear? I hope it is clear. Now I am going to checking my profile. As a student I am telling, right? So now you can see my profile. One badge I haven't, and the points are 225. Trails not yet completed. So now the target is earn 4 badges and 275 explore rank. So anyways, already we have explained about the ranking concept. So hiker, 1 badge 200 points. Now how many you have earned? 225. 1 badge is earned and 225 points. Like that you have to do, man. Okay, I hope you all it is clear for all of you. So now you can check trailhead basics. Now it is completed, and you have earned 300 points. It is expected, but 225 points I got. Okay, now so after this you need to go for the syllabus. So how much it is completed? If you are confused, you can click on the syllabus again. Now you can see this is the trail mix 1. Syllabus is trailhead module. One module I have completed. Next module is trailhead playground. Okay, so everybody please you complete this module by tomorrow, and you need to concentrate on this module. Like that you have to follow. And if you complete all the, so how many modules are there here? Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 7 8 9 modules, and 2 projects are there. You please go through all those one by one, and you have to learn everything. Then automatically your points and badges are going to be increased. Okay, during this problem or during this the situation, if you got any problem or if you have any issue, you can click on this trailhead community. So then you will be moved on to, your name will be here, otherwise you have to log in. So you go to the answers tab. Here you have to post the question. So hello, I am unable to solve the trailhead challenge, like that. Just I am showing the example. Wherever you are facing any problem about all these modules, you have to mention that one here, and you need to click search here, and you need to post your question. Like that you have to press. Then your question will be posted among the community of the Salesforce ecosystem, right? So this is the Trailblazer community. Then they will be reply to your question. Then you will receive a mail to you, and your mail will get the answer for that question. The lot of Trailblazers are there, they will respond to your questions. After that you can see here all questions, unsolved questions, solved question, my questions. So here you need to click then what are the questions you have posted, that questions will be mentioned here. Okay, so then it is very good information for you, and you can follow that information. More than that it is not required now, you just follow like that, then you will get to you are going to be completed automatically about all the syllabus, right? So you please focus on the timeline, and you have to complete all the trail mixes. So the timeline is mentioned in that, before that time you need to complete. So in addition to that, your profile will be automatically increased. Okay, I hope it is clear. Okay, thanks to one and all. You please start completion of the badges.